What's not to love about kofte? I mean, delicious tender meatballs cooked in a spicy, flavourful curry sauce. So here's how I make it. So first of all, you're going to blend your mince with some onions, garlic, coriander and green chillies until they're smooth. Then you want to transfer that to a bowl, add in all of your spices, egg and gram flour, mix until everything is well combined. Then we want to make the meatballs. So after applying some oil to our hands, you want to roll them into smooth balls like this. And you want to do that with all of the mince and set it aside. Next, we're going to make the curry. So we're going to fry some onions until they're golden brown, saute some whole spices and garlic and ginger paste. Then we're going to add in all of the ground spices and we're going to fry this off. And then we want to add some water and we're going to cover and cook until the onions are nice and soft. Then you want to add in your plain yogurt. You're going to fry this off as well. And then after that, you want to add in all of your meatballs. And at this stage, you don't want to mix. You're just going to shake the pan so that the meatballs don't break. You're going to cover and cook for around 10 to 15 minutes until your meatballs are nice and firm. Then you want to brown the meatballs and cook the curry. And then you want to add some water and then you're going to bring it to a boil and simmer gently. Finally, you're going to garnish it with some coriander and some garam masala. You want to serve this with some garam rotis. Absolutely scrumptious. Enjoy!